China launches Shenzhou 23 mission with 3 astronauts for major Tiangong Space Station mission. China has launched the Shenzhou 23 spacecraft and sent the 3 astronauts to its Tiangong Space Station. This is a historic mission as one astronaut is expected to remain in orbit for 1 full year, and with this it will be one of the longest human space mission in history. Shenzhou 23 mission launch. The Shenzhou 23 spacecraft was launched on the May 25, 2026 from the Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center in the northwestern China. The successful launch represents another major achievement in the China's steadily advancing human space flight program. This mission comes at a time when Beijing is accelerating the ambitious preparation for a crewed lunar landing before 2030 and placing itself firmly in the global space race. The spacecraft is heading toward the China's independently built Tiangong Space Station, which has become the center of the country's orbital research efforts. Which astronauts are on the board? The Shenzhou 23 mission carries the 3 astronauts, and they are Zhu Yangzhu, mission commander; Zhang Jian, crew member; Lai Ka-ying, Li Xiang, crew member. The mission is historic because the Lai Ka-ying becomes the first astronaut from the Hong Kong to travel to space. Lai's background is particularly important. She was born and raised in Hong Kong, and she holds a doctoral degree in computer forensics, which showcasing the increasing diversity of China's astronaut corps. 1 year space stay, why it matters. One of the most significant highlights of this mission is the plan for one astronaut to remain aboard in the Tiangong for an entire year. This extended stay aims to study the human adaptability in the prolonged space condition, physical and the psychological endurance, performance limitation during long duration mission, space medicine and astronaut health monitoring. Such research are vital for the future deep space missions and especially China's long-term plans involving the moon and potentially Mars exploration. Scientific objectives of the mission. The astronauts will carry out the dozens of scientific experiments and application projects while aboard Tiangong. Expected focus areas include the space biology, medical science, material research, human physiology, technology demonstrations. The crew will also perform the in-orbit rotation with the current Shenzhou 21 astronauts who have already spent more than the 200 days in space scientific leadership.